Welcome to another unboxing. What do we got today? So we have a box for a device that I'm hoping is going to connect to a video arm that I'm using to record these videos. And currently what I use is an arm bar that I got for a microphone, where I have replaced the microphone, and now I have a boom with my iPhone duct taped to the top of it, which doesn't work all the time because it falls off. So not looking for another duct tape solution, I've gone ahead and purchased this item. So I'll do an unboxing of it and we'll see what we got here. I'll tell you what, I found this on Amazon and Ulanzi. I'm not sure what company that is, so I looked it up, because who would put a box like this and call it Iron Man 4 phone clip? And I do get a little bit of laugh sometimes from these products that are coming from overseas. In this case, this one is from China. You guessed it, made in China. Fantastic. That's okay. China's a good place too. And we have the company, Alonzi. I looked it up. It designs and manufactures camera and smartphone accessories. Founded in 2015, Shenzhen, China. So that's cool. All right. I got the ST27. Maybe this is like the next version, or maybe it's the Iron Man 4 instead of the Iron Man 3. And then I had a couple questions about, which Iron Man? Are we talking about the sporting event, or are we talking about the Marvel comic? I don't know. Either way, I chose to think about the Marvel comic Iron Man, so because this kind of shape shifts maybe, and it's made of metal. That's what I thought. And it's always the ST27, so boom, probably a gun clip or something. Another funny thing is I looked at this right here. I can't remember what it said. I used a translator, and I don't remember what it said. I didn't write it down to put on the video, so maybe I'll just put it in the description. But on this side, it matched what it was supposed to match, I guess, and made sense. But when I looked at this side, I saw metallic. That's great, it's metallic. And then I saw this word here, prolongable. And I thought maybe this was one of those situations where sometimes I come across instruction manuals written from Chinese to English, and sometimes there's words that just don't fit or exist. And in this case, it was me not knowing all the vocabulary of the English language. So you guessed it, prolongable is an actual word, and it means something that can be extended, lengthened, or prolonged. And I thought, wow, not only am I unboxing this Iron Man 4 ST27 phone clip, but I'm also learning English from my Chinese friends. So, looking at this, I can see it hopefully attaches to stuff like tripods, and I believe I have this thing here, which I hope screws into this somehow, so I can tighten it on here, and maybe that's a default diameter screw, let's hope. So let's go ahead and kick off our unboxing here and what we would expect to be here. And traditional type unboxing here. This, Apple a long time ago, I don't know if they were the leaders in this, but they went high-end boxing because it just gives everything that edge. And ever since then, the last, let's say, I don't know, 15 years maybe, so many companies have gone, bigger, brighter, badder for unboxing type things. I mean, sometimes you get like just things you wouldn't normally expect. Is it a waste? I'm not here to judge that. I enjoy some of these things, so I can already see already. Oh my gosh, it has this awesome foam packaging on the inside. Another thing is, the writing and the images on here match what I would expect. It's a sturdy little box. It's not going to get damaged. And I can see already, look at this thing. It's a slide out drawer. Okay. I might use that again. Put little stuff in here. And then look at this thing. I mean, my God, this is like, I got to do a little slow-mo of that's not a good song, honestly, for unboxing this. Ooh, they actually sculpted out this foam. How do they do this? I want to do this for all my tools and fun stuff, like pencils. Okay, I want to take the whole thing out. Let's just save. Yep, it is coming out. Awesome. I saw this sticker down here. That's a good box. I'm telling you. You can put your silverware in that thing. What do we got here? We've got some kind of qualified certificate and tracking device. Just kidding. That's not a tracking device, but it's, you know, they put these stuff in there for some reason. This is cool. I'm going to just start slowly popping this out. And this looks like it's going to, look at that. My gosh, is that one solid piece? No, they glued two together. You can see it down here, or at least I believe they did. Maybe it is one chunk. Wow, super cool. And you know, I ordered this because it was metal and I thought it looked pretty cool with the color or the anodized aluminum on here. I can see already, let's just go and see if I can fit this baby in here, because this is what I'm concerned about. I gotta, yes, that's good. This is a good sign. So not only do I have one place to put it, which I'm guessing it's gonna go on my arm like that, or maybe like this. I don't want to disturb the arm that I have now because the duct tape will fall off. So let's just see. Yep, it's got a spring to hold, you know, whatever phone. This insert here, I'm guessing, is for like slipping on different types of tripods, I'm guessing. The company that has Prolongable is going to know better. And it is the ST27. I feel, let's see, there's notches. So it turns 360 degrees and there's 90-degree offsets. I can feel it clicking. And when it's there, it's, you know, it can be moved again. I'm assuming this tightens it up. Yep. No, it doesn't tighten it up that way. So you can bump it, I guess. It stays in the notch, but, you know, not forever. Maybe that's what this does. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay, so there's this outer ring here, if you can see that. I can't see the phone while I'm recording this because the duct tape is over it. So that loosens the knobby knob, and then here, I don't know what this does. This just, it gets tight when I go to the left and it gets tight when I go to the right. Let's see. You know, if I tighten it down, it doesn't do anything. Huh. I don't know what this knob does here, but I know this one is used to tighten that down. So anybody understand what this would be for? I don't see. What does this thing got here? It's got other things you put on there. Oh, like a light and other pieces, maybe microphones, not sure. No instructions that I know of, so I'm just going to go off of, you know, Iron Man knows. Iron Man's going to know. Maybe that's not supposed to turn ever. It's just this piece to lock it down. Not sure. I know what I need, and that's just to lock it down. It's probably going to be sitting like this, and then I'm going to use this bolt. Boom, my phone's gonna sit there, great. This is gonna be nice and sturdy and it won't fall over with the duct tape because I don't need it. So, okay, we're gonna lock this down, great. Once again, it fits whatever default diameter this threading is, and this is gonna be, it fits a pretty big phone, or pretty big whatever you gotta put on there. Not a tablet, but definitely big phones. And then it has this thing here, this color, which no idea what that's for. Who knows? Spring, looks cool. Good rubber down here to keep the phone padded. And it looks like, you know, there's not a lot of things getting in the way. This is going to be a nice piece to my video recording arsenal. And I'm super glad that you joined me to unbox this. So I will see you around.